Hi everyone. In this tutorial, you will be able to learn how to navigate through your course in Moodle. If you are a course creator, a site administrator, or a teacher, you have the capability to add, edit, and delete in your course, design your course in Moodle. So as you can see, the course has just created, so there are no contents yet, there are no instructions yet. So we will just create it later in the training. Now, as you can see on the left side of the screen, there is this menus. So this is called the navigation block. The navigation block is consist of menus that allows you to navigate through your course or through your Moodle site. You can navigate through the sections of your course. So as you can see in the general section, there's the general section here, the topic 1 section, topic 2, and other topics. So later on this training, you will be able to add some content into your topics or sections of the course. And then from the navigation block, you will be able to see who are the participants of your course, what are the badges available, the competencies included, the grades of your students. So for the grades, the teacher will see, of course, the grade book of the students, but for the student, they will only see their grades. So they cannot see other students' grades. And then if you want to go back to the home, then you can just click home or you can click dashboard. In the dashboard, you will be able to see the courses that you are enrolled into, your past courses, your current courses, and we have here the calendar and the courses where you are enrolled into, and your private files. And if you are a site administrator, you will be able to see this menu. Now, in the upper left corner of the screen, you will see this icon. And if you click this, this allows you to shrink the navigation block in order for you to give a wider perspective or view of the course page. And here in this screen, this is called the course page. So the course page is where your course can be seen or can be viewed. At the top is the name of your course. So in my case, it's differential equations. And then underneath that is the navigation menu or the breadcrumbs. So it tells you what page where you are now. So here, I am in my course differential equations, and I put on the settings the course short name, which is DE101, and that is what I can see on the breadcrumbs or the navigation menu. So whenever I want to go back to the course page, so I'll just have to click on the course short name here on the navigation menu. And then in the right side, upper right side of the screen, you will be able to see this action menu, the one with the gear icon. And if you click this, you will be able to see some menus, helpful menus that will help you through your Moodle course. So if you want to add a content into your course or edit something, so you need to click this turn editing on. Alright, so once you've clicked the turn editing on, so you will see the changes that happens in the course. There are icons now, such as this cross icon. So this cross icon, if you click and drag this, so it helps you to arrange the topics if you want to arrange the topics or drag the topics into the lower part or upper part. So depending on your preference or purpose, so you can do that by drag through click and drag for the section. Announcements activity is default, but you can delete this. So announcement is very helpful for teachers if the teacher would like to announce and if announce to announce something, then they can teachers can just announce it here through here. And on the topic names, so these are the default section names. If you chose topic format, so this is the default topic 1, topic 2, depending on the number of sections you have selected. Or sometimes if you choose weekly format, so it will just um, say here the weekly format or stated here the weekly. Now, if you want to edit the topic name, so you can see here the pen icon beside the topic name. All you need to do is to just click this pen tool to edit the topic name, and you can just enter your topic and then press enter. So now we have just edited the topic name, and there is also edit here. So for the edit, if you want to edit the topic, so it's the same thing. So just like this, you can edit it. Or also, if you want to add something here for the summary, for example, this is the summary, then you click changes, then you'll be able to see it here on your course page. So it is useful when you are giving instructions to your students. So you can provide instructions through the summary. So aside from that, you can highlight the section. So to highlight the section, just click this menu, highlight, and the student will know what is the section that is being discussed, or the current section through the highlight. Next, you can also remove highlight if you don't want to give emphasis of that section anymore. Then you can also hide topic, and you can also delete the topic. So in each section, you are allowed to add an activity or resource. So the activities in resource in Moodle are here. So if you click on that, the window will be displayed. Add an activity or resource. So there are lots of activities in Moodle, like for example, the assignment, the chat, choice, database, external tools, and many others here. The quiz, survey, and others. And here is the resources. So the resources are book, file, folder, the IMS content package, label, page, and URL. So these are all, useful resources that you can use in Moodle. And later on this, on the other part of this training, we will be able to tackle all, the important resources in Moodle that you can use. So let's say, for example, we will just add a so that's it. You can just select any resources here. For example, we'll add the label, then we'll just click add. And so the label is just like providing caption or instruction. So for example, this is your instruction, and then click save and return to a course. So this is it. So if you're providing label, you can probably if you are providing label here for the instruction, then you can probably put it here on the summary for the introduction. So so label will not be necessary anymore. So just to um, give you more idea of how you are going to use the resources or activities when added in the topic or section, in every activity or resource, there is edit. So you will be able to edit it. So when you click edit, you can edit the settings. So you'll just go back to the previous settings that we have seen a while ago when you click this edit settings for the label. You can also indent the the activity or resource by clicking the move right, and once you move right, you can go back to the original position by clicking the move left. All right. Then, aside from the move right, move left, there is also this hide functionality where it allows you to hide a particular resource or activity. So when you click hide, so the particular resource or activity will be hidden to the students, and they will not be able to see, it's hidden to the students. But um, you can also show it if you want to. Yeah, right. All right. Then you can also duplicate the resource or activity. So this will help you make your work fast. If, for example, you duplicate something and you don't need to put the description anymore or the instructions anymore, so you just duplicate the activity or the resource. Then you can also assign role to a um, particular activity. So for the assigned role, you can assign an instructor or a teacher, a non-editing teacher, or a student to a particular resource or activity. And then delete. So you can just delete the particular resource or activity by clicking the delete menu. Now, if you want to add more topics, so you can just click add topics here, and then it will ask you how many number of sections would you like to add. So let's say one only, and then I can just click add topics here, and then I'll have here topic 5. So this is how you're going to navigate through your course. So later in the other parts of this training, you will be able to add some activities or resource in Moodle. So that's all. Thank you.